Hello Vivekians, hope you all are in good health. I am your Kamni ma'am and I welcome you all in today's EVS class. We already started chapter 6 plants. In last two videos, we learnt about types of plants, where do plants live and what do plants give us. Through these topics, we come to know about how much plants are important for us. Today, we will continue this chapter from page number 70 and we start the topic leaves. So put the date on this page. The objectives of today's topic are to learn about different types of leaves and to observe and examine leaves of different plants. Do you know how leaves are useful to the plants? Let's see. Leaves. Leaves are one of the most important parts of the plant. They are called the kitchen of the plant. This is because leaves prepare food for the entire plant. Leaves use sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and a special green color pigment called chlorophyll. What is this? Chlorophyll to make their food. Chlorophyll is already present in the leaves. It gives the leaves its green color. Leaves are of different sizes, shapes, texture and color. They make plants look different from each other. So students, all the parts of a plant are important for it, right? But leaves are the most important part of it. Leaves सबसे ज़्यादा important part होते हैं. The other name of leaves is the kitchen of the plant. Because do you know why we call it so? Food prepare करते हैं. जैसे हम किचन में अपना फूड प्रिपेयर करते हैं और हमें फूड प्रिपेयर करने के लिए क्या चाहिए होता है? डिफरेंट इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए होते हैं, डिफरेंट थिंग्स चाहिए होती हैं. सेम वे leaves also need some ingredients to prepare the food for the plants, है ना? उनको भी तो कुछ ingredients चाहिए तभी वो food बना सकते हैं. So leaves use sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and a special green color pigment that is called chlorophyll, right? So let us see from where the plant get these things, right? So leaves get sunlight from sun और water कहाँ से मिल जाता है उन्हें? Soil से. जो हम water करते हैं plants को, वहीं से soil के through plants को water मिलता है. And carbon dioxide gas from the atmosphere. But what about chlorophyll? Chlorophyll leaves में पहले से ही present होता है. And the interesting thing is that chlorophyll की वजह से ही leaves हमें green color के दिखाई देते हैं. So with the help of these things, plant prepare their own food, right? Have you seen different plants around you and their leaves also? क्या उनके size, shape, texture and color same होते हैं? नहीं, ये सब अलग-अलग होते हैं. So let's now read about different characteristics of leaves. So look it in your book. Size. Some leaves are big in size while others are small. तो अगर हम leaves को ध्यान से देखें तो कुछ plants के जो leaves होते हैं वो बहुत size में बड़े होते हैं, right? और कुछ के बहुत छोटे. Now see here. See the banana and the coconut leaves, how big they are, right? But tulsi and coriander leaves are smaller than banana and coconut leaves. Okay? तो तुलसी और coriander leaves दोनों banana और coconut के leaves के comparison में बहुत छोटे होते हैं. Okay? Now move to the page number 71. Shape. Leaves come in a variety of shapes. So students, leaves of different plants have different shape, right? See the people leaf here. कैसी shape है इसकी? Guess करिए ज़रा किसकी तरह आपको ये इसकी शेप लग रही है? यस, इट लुक्स लाइक अ हार्ट शेप, है ना? हार्ट की तरह इसकी शेप है. नेक्स्ट इज पाम लीफ. हाउ इट लुक्स नाउ? कैसा दिख रहा है? जिसको आप समर सीजन में भी यूज करते, व्हेन वी आर नॉट हैविंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इट लुक्स लाइक अ हैंड फैन. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज मैपल लीफ. विथ व्हाट शेप डू यू रिलेट दिस? अगर हम अपनी फिंगर्स को स्प्रेड करें तो मैपल लीफ हमें हैंड की तरह दिखाई देगा. सो इट रिसेंबल्स आवर हैंड. लास्ट वन इज फर लीफ. सी, इट इज पॉइंटेड फ्रॉम वन एंड. सो इसकी शेप कैसी है? इट इज अ needle shaped, right? Okay, so after the shape, now let us see about the texture of the different leaves, right? So texture, leaves can have smooth or rough surface or texture. When we touch it, we feel the softness and roughness. So students, texture means how we feel when we touch anything, that is whether the thing is smooth or rough. So let us see some different leaves here. The first one is jade plant leaf. अगर हम जेड प्लांट लीफ को टच करेंगे तो उसका सरफेस हमें बहुत स्मूथ लगेगा, बहुत मुलायम लगेगा, राइट? लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. कैन यू गेस द नेम ऑफ दिस लीफ? सोचिए सोचिए, मम्मा किचन में इसको बहुत यूज करती है. दिस इज अ मिंट लीफ, यानी कि पुदीना. सो इफ यू टच दिस, हाउ डू यू फील? कैसा फील करेंगे आप? रफ और स्मूथ? यस, इट हैज अ रफ टेक्सचर. इसका सरफेस कैसा होता है? रफ होता है, राइट? नेक्स्ट वन इज आर bamboo and pumpkin leaves. Same as mint leaf, they are also having rough texture, right? तो bamboo और pumpkin का भी rough texture ही होता है. Now students, just try to find out the texture of some more leaves around you. Okay? Next one is edge, that is margin. The leaf margins differ from one plant to another. While some leaves have sharp edges, some have smooth or spiny edges. So first of all, we will see what is margin. Margin is the boundary area along the edge of the leaf. It is different for different leaves. Some leaves have sharp margin, some have smooth, or some are having spiny, right? Let's take some example. First one is hibiscus leaf. Hibiscus leaf has toothed edge, right? In this type, you can see the margin with small tooth that can vary inside. Next one is, just identify this tree. This is mango tree, right? So let us see the margin of the mango leaf, right? Here the margin is, how it looks? देखो बिल्कुल स्मूथ है सारी तरफ से, है ना? So the margin of a mango leaf is even and smooth around the entire leaf edge, right? Next one is oak leaf. It is having lobed edge. Lobed means leaves have distinct rounded projection. यहाँ पर edges स्मॉल राउंड शेप के होते हैं, राइट? नाउ लास्ट वन इज एलोवेरा लीफ. इन दिस लीफ द स्पाइन्स आर प्रेजेंट अलोंग द होल एज, राइट? सो इफ वी टच द एज ऑफ द एलोवेरा लीफ, वी फील स्पाइन्स देयर. कांटे हमें लगेंगे, कांटे महसूस होते हैं हमें उनको टच करने से, राइट? नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Come to the page number 72. Color. Most leaves are green in color, but some leaves are of different colors such as orange, purple or red. So students, I think you have seen different types of plants and trees in our school during the nature walk. Do you remember? Let's take a look on different leaves having different colors. The first one is money plant leaf. I think most of you are having money plant at home. देखा है आप सबने मनी प्लांट? कैसा कलर होता है इनकी लीव्स का? Yes, exactly. It is of green color, right? Now next one is caladium leaf. Its color is a mixture of green and red. इसकी लीव्स पर कहीं कहीं ग्रीन कलर दिखाई देगा आपको और कहीं कहीं पर रेड कलर. Now the beautiful leaf, that is the maple leaf. See, it is not of green color. है ना, ये तो बिल्कुल भी ग्रीन कलर का दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. It is of orange color. And the last one is croton leaf. Croton leaf is of multi color. ये मल्टी कलर की लीव्स होती हैं. इसमें आप ध्यान से देखिए तो कितने सारे कलर्स हमें दिखाई दे रहे हैं, राइट? So try to find out some more leaves of different colors and make a collection of that. या तो आप उनकी पिक्स ले सकते हैं या फिर आप उसको एक अपने नोटबुक में पेस्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट? The next one is aroma. Aroma means smell. So some leaves have different smell or aroma of their own. We can smell the aroma by crushing them between our fingers. So students, aroma means smell. Leaves also have a different smell, right? If we crush them between our fingers, we can get its smell. हमें उसकी smell मिलती है, हमें पता चलता है कि इसकी smell कैसी है, right? We are having many leaves that we use in our food to get different aroma, like tulsi in tea. Mint leaves are used to make chutney. Coriander leaves are used to make chutney as well as to garnish the curry. And bay leaf. Bay leaf means तेज पत्ता. इसे हम तेज पत्ता कहते हैं, right? जिसे हम फूड में स्पेशल फ्लेवर के लिए यूज करते हैं, right? So you have seen how the leaves are beautifully structured by nature. So it's our duty not to destroy the things that are created by nature, right? So this is all for today, right? Students, here underlined words are new words. Write down them neatly in your notebook. Now your home assignment. In home assignment, you have to do Let's Try 4 in course book and My Turn 4 and 5 in practice book. So, students, I advise you to read this topic 2 or 3 times so that all the points are quite clear to you. You should watch the leaves of different plants carefully to know more and more about them. So, this is all for today. Stay home, stay safe, and bye-bye.